The automaker updated the plug-in hybrid sports car for the 2019 model year. With its 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-3 engine and electric motor setup, the model achieves a total output of 369 horsepower and 420 pounds-to-foot of torque. BMW estimates the coupe can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, while the roadster can hit the mark in 4.4 seconds. Koutouc said that BMW could make adjustments to the i8's powertrain to squeeze out more power. But it could also put in a different engine if necessary.